Oh my God, the Mojave, baby. And the new green X-Max body, man. Oh my God, this is a beauty, guys. Let's see, I think you got the lid taken out, so we're gonna take that out right quick. See how it looks. Alright guys, once again we here, baby. Fly Hobbies, baby. Hey, I want to send a shout out to my brother Denali Underground, man. What can I say, man? I appreciate you very much, bro. We here. Yes, sir. Y'all know how we do. We gotta get it. And my brother Mike and Chris. Hey, what's up, brothers? I finally showed up, huh? How you doing? What's up? What's up, Mike? Oh, there we go. Look at it, guys. They just pointed me in the right direction. Oh my God, the Mojave, baby. And the new green X-Max body, man. Oh my God, this is a beauty, guys. Let's see, I think you got the lid taken out, so we're gonna take that out right quick. See how it looks. Oh yeah, this is a beast. The famous 2050 KB BLX system. Let's see what kind of servo we have. See it? Alright. Metal gear servo. I like it, guys. We have those new shock tower. Man, this is cool. Let's see, take this off. Let's take this off, guys. Look at that body. This thing is massive, guys. Can't see it, man, on video. But this thing is massive. Look at the guys inside. This thing is nice. You have an undercage. Nice. Oh, look at that. Scale pictures on the back. You have your scale items on the back there. Check that out. Fire extinguisher. We're gonna let the expert come over and tell us about it. We got that 6S power. Mojave, baby. Check that out. That looks really good. Hey, this thing is awesome. Oh my gosh.
Doing it on the second.
We got the raffle going on for that $5, guys. Make sure you come down here. High Fly Hobbies.
That, by the way.
Or the front.
Like this goes over the front, like that right there. And it drops down. I like that Velcro.
Yeah, that Velcro is nice. I seen
suspension, man. Like, look at this thing. So
yes.
You have that, but you have the sway bar too. You know.
Oh my God.
So it's a. I mean, that's a crazy. Isn't that a great set?
That's a what you call these kind of trucks? Trophy trucks.
Trophy truck or a short course. You know,
short course.
You know what somebody's been doing too?
What?
So people have been putting them clay truggy tires on right there.
Which one? Oh yeah, I did see a picture with that today.
And then you can run it like on the track or some clay, and it gives you that really good bite, you know?
Yeah, I seen that picture today. Somebody had the same setup, the same color.
Looks good on there too, man.
Yes, Arrma actually posted it. Whoever's car it was, they posted it today.
I'll tell you what, yours, the red one, looks really good because it's got red and it's got blue right here.
Right. So those are different.
Ones right there, yeah. The white ones.
Yes, sir. There we go, guys. The red one. That Typer. This the 2S Typer?
Yeah, that's the regular, the cheap one, you know, the
2S one.
brush motor. Yeah.
And how much they run?
$219.
$219. You know what?
They come ready to go, 4x4.
My son will be having that next week.
That's a good truck. I mean, a good buggy for somebody to get into, like your kid. You know.
My son will have that next week. I'll be here to get that next week.
And it's a real A-scale like style buggy, you know.
Right. So the Max is up there. My wife is talking about. I want the Max.
12 of them already, man.
You did?
They've been going crazy, you know.
Have they came with the lights?
No, they don't come with light. I have the light bars here, the light kit here, but they don't come with them on there, you know.
She want the model one. She want the model one. Right? Shout out to Denali Underground. We're here, brother. Thank you for helping, man. Here we go. That red machine.
There she is.
Mojave, baby. Look at that. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, yeah.
I love that red with the
That
blue.
red is slick, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can't wait to get it. So you say you have some plugs that'll plug to that?
Yeah, if you want to use an adapter instead of changing the plugs out, yeah.
Yeah, let me see how
Some like
Epic
like
green
plate tires on
machines,
this thing
guys.
and run a class. I mean, as long as there's
Imagine you
more
had the
people
green
playing,
on the
run
green
class,
X
so,
Max. Yes,
you know, this
sir.
truck just came out last week, so I'm sure you're going to see people racing them and stuff. Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna be out there.
Reds. Like my first time.
Yeah, yeah.
A girl named Brianna Budd.
Those red wheels. Yes, sir. All right, let's go here.